tutorial for beginners. First, I'm gonna do a primer. So today I'm just gonna do a complexion. So any of you for beginners that you like to do your makeup or learning some makeup, watch this tutorial video and don't forget to subscribe. I do a lot of skincare routine, skincare tips. So the key to flawless makeup is by having makeup primer. So makeup primer, you just make your makeup looks even, looks flawless, long lasting. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Shiseido Revital Essence foundation. This foundation contains niacinamide that helps strengthen the barrier of your skin. It contains skincare. If you don't have a brush, you can use your finger. Just pat it along and make sure to blend it really nicely. It is minimizing fine lines and the prevention of dark spots. I'm gonna use a concealer to conceal all these dark spots around this area. I'm using Shiseido Synchro Skin Concealer. Just gonna put just slightly. So when you put your concealer as well, you need to leave it for a minute or so and do the rest of your makeup along my eye area. It is just very easy, very simple. If you want to just look natural, use the Laura Mercier bronzer liquid. Just this will just give you a little bit of left color. I use my finger because I find it really nice, and it makes your makeup blended quite nicely. Blend my concealer. First, I'm gonna do my eye area. Just gently brush it off towards the edge. So that bronzer liquid, it just makes my cheekbones a lot more lifted. Next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrow. Now this time I'm gonna use a brown liner. So the brown liner, I'm just gonna line it a bit. I got smaller eyes, so this one will just help my eyes looks bigger, but you need to use brown. As you can see, it makes my eyes already bigger. Now what I need to do is I'm gonna blend it. Just lightly brush. You can see it's already starting to get my eye area looks a bit bigger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the black liner on my lash line. Very simple makeup. Lift your eyelid and then line the top lash line. Eyelid and under my brow. To make it more look lifted, I'm gonna use a little bit orangey just right under my brow bones. Continuing to the other side of my eye. Again, I am using the orangey. Just put it lightly under my bottom lash line. The corner of my eye. A bit highlighter. Just instead of doing eyeshadow, I put highlighter. So you can play around with your makeup. It's as easy as that. So now I'm gonna put contour. So I'm using a really dark one. Just gonna, I will put it right cheekbones. Side, a tiny at the top. So this is the easy way you can contour your skin. At the top. Light. First I'm gonna blend it. There you go. I'm just blending it. This is the easy way you can do your contour. When you're doing with your blending, try and smile a little bit. Get that. My powder. Should try and do a lightly stroke up. So I always use eyelash curler before mascara. This really helps my lashes looking a little bit lifted. I try to start mascara right the corner of my eyelash. Do again. Then finish up with just a light color lips.